Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling comments on TikTok videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to get to this section, just select profile in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right, and then select settings and privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select Activity Center, and then scroll down where it says Manage Comments Permission. Go ahead and left click on that. So now you can adjust whatever videos you want to adjust the comments for or the comment settings for. Just go ahead and check mark next to that video in question, and you will select Next. And you can select either allow comments or don't allow comments, and then the update button, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.